Before I started working with Jessica, I just basically didn't know how to run a business.
I was a new solopreneur, just launching my own ideas and thoughts and brands.
I think one of the biggest challenges of being a small business owner is knowing where to look for answers.
I was just feeling really frustrated and really burnt out.
There's so much to know when you're a small business owner, from marketing and what to do and where to go and where to post and when to post and all of those things. And I think that when you have all of those questions, it can be just so overwhelming.
I felt so overwhelmed that many times I wanted to quit. I felt like I wasn't going to be able to do all of the things that I was seeing everyone else be able to do.
And I was trying to find all the resources I could and read all the free stuff. But what I really needed was to invest in a guide.
Jessica is just such a wealth of information, and she's always willing to share. And I think that she gives you the confidence to try things.
I've been able to really have the tools that I need, I think, to move into the next phase of growing my business.
As a result of working with Jessica, I have more people that sort of are in my orbit.
I see myself developing programs and products that align with the strategy that we already set forward.
She's helped me direct my efforts towards group programs. I've had great success in that.
And so I look forward to really just growing in what I plan to offer my clients.
What I'm excited about next is scaling that and building out some more processes and more offerings that won't require my time.
I'm looking forward to grow my business and to be able to help and impact even more people.
So if you are on the fence, I would say just go ahead and pull the trigger.
Why do it yourself? You want to be able to use your gifts and your strengths in the way that is the best use of your time. If you can have someone on your side like Jessica,